Spray this oil and you will never see mold again. Having mold in the home is a common problem that many people are struggling with. So, if you are one of these people, you know that mold can have a negative effect on your health. Fortunately, we have a simple and effective method that will solve your problem. All you need is one ingredient to prepare this remedy. For centuries, tea tree oil has been used for treating cuts, burns, and wounds. The tea tree leaves were crushed and applied to the affected area. It is believed that the incredible properties of tea tree oil have been discovered back in the 20s by the Australian researchers. It is considered that tea tree oil has potent antiseptic properties, 100 times more effective than the germicide used in carbolic acid. The recent studies showed that this oil is very beneficial for treating all kinds of respiratory problems, including a runny nose, sore throats, asthma, bronchitis, and tuberculosis. Due to its strong antibiotic properties, this oil can help you with skin conditions such as rashes, burns, and even dandruff. However, besides being beneficial for treating many health issues, tea tree oil has the ability to effectively eliminate germs and mold. So, check out this simple recipe and see the amazing results. Needed ingredients: 2 teaspoons of tea tree oil, 2 cups of water, 1 spray bottle. Directions: mix the water and the oil, and pour the solution in the spray bottle. Spray on the areas where there is mold, then let it dry naturally. Use a towel to wipe it off. The results will amaze you.